Alright guys, what's going on? So in this video I wanted to do a video on how to find stocks to trade, and this is going to be a sympathy play. How do you find sympathy plays? And what is a sympathy play? So a sympathy play is a stock that is running because another stock is running, right? So when TLRI went crazy and it went from 25 to 300, a lot of the marijuana stocks started moving up too. You know, you had CGC, CRON, NBEV, IGC. There was all kinds of them. So how do you find those? An easy way to do it is by using a website called Finviz, right? Oops, got two of them up. And how you do it is you find a stock that is running. Let's go TOPS. Usually you'll do this when the stock is running a couple days, or you think the entire sector is going to run more. Like shipping is likely going to run and do all kinds of crazy stuff because it does it every year around this time. So now I got my main stock. TOPS was the main mover. It was up 100%. There was another stock, ESEA, that was also moving, right? So over here, you have the stock, you have where the stock is, what the industry is, and what the sector is. So you're going to want to click on the industry. Now you have all the stocks in the shipping industry, right? So let's go to performance, and you want to see which ones are moving so far. You know, this is where you start doing your research to find out what you're going to trade, maybe what you're going to try to find and go after. Okay, so maybe you want to try to find a low float stock that's in the shipping sector, and maybe if you can get traction on it, you'll make a bunch of money. Who knows? Or maybe you want to find like maybe TOPS had news and ESEA didn't have news, and this is just up 69% on the week for no reason, and you're like, oh, okay, well, this stock doesn't deserve to be up 69%. Let me try shorting it, or whatever your idea is, right? But this is how you find stocks in the same category. So now we found stocks. So we have ESEA, TOPS, NM, PXS, DCIX, all that moved over 20% today. Okay? That's valuable information because if TOPS moves on news and ESEA doesn't, now you have a chance to, take advantage of this. Okay? And now let me show you how to find maybe a lower float stock. Okay, so TOPS, their float is about 15 million. Now this isn't always right, so you have to be careful. Finviz is not always up to date, but this is just a starting guide for your initial research. So TOPS, their float's a little bit big, but look at ESEA. Oh, 6 million float. Let's see if we can find one with smaller. Oh, EDRI. Why? And that was up 15%. Ooh. And if you take a look at the chart, you know, maybe we can get a breakout above 1450 and next thing you know the stock goes to 20 or whatever, guys. Now you have to do your research, and now, I don't long stocks. I usually only short them. So I use this little tool to find out, okay, October 15th, they had news refinancing a certain amount of its debt. Interesting. This is something I would now go look further into this company. I would say, okay, let me go here and look up, do a little bit of research on this company, EDRY. Okay, there's shares available to short. Go to research. Financial statements. Okay, so they have revenue. Okay, profit margins are right. Are they making money? Last year they made $850,000. Let's take a look at the balance sheet. Whatever it is, guys. And then you do your research. Okay? Now, there's other companies that we can search. Say we don't like that one. We'll go to the next one. Okay, DCIX. Wow, that chart looks brutal. This stock must not be doing that well. And then Same thing. Okay, we see net income. They lost $70 million. I don't know what that's about. Let's go do more research. Go here. And now, if you guys don't have this platform, obviously you're going to have to do research going to the SEC filings, which is not a big deal at all. That would be, or you can look, you can click right here and you can get the statements. Okay, so this is a very useful site. I would definitely recommend using it. You can find all kinds of stocks on here. So if you're looking for stocks to trade, you know, if you like the chart or you like the fundamentals and you say, oh, this company's awful or oh, this company's undervalued, whatever it may be, this is a way you can do it to find what's going to run next, what could run with a sector run. Um, it's a super valuable tool. Sympathy plays are really good for short selling because what happens is when a company releases news and that company goes up 150%, and then next thing you know, other people start buying similar companies. These companies start going up for no reason whatsoever, even though there might not be anything valuable that's going on with the company, it still goes up. And this offers good opportunities to take advantage of irrationality. And that's why this website is so nice to use. And that's why sympathies are so nice to play. Okay? So definitely check out this website. Hopefully that helps you find more stocks to add to your watch list. I know I use this and I think it's a pretty valuable tool to trade sympathy stocks. Hopefully you can come up with your own strategies or, you know, use it the same way I do. But yeah, that's a way to help you find some more stocks to trade if you can't really find much. All right, guys, have a good day. I'm out of here. If you like this video, don't forget to like it. If you want to learn more about stocks, definitely subscribe and stay tuned because I'll be posting all kinds of stuff in the future.